Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stir-fry cucumber. Start with the right cucumbers, selecting ones that are firm and fresh. First, wash and peel your cucumbers thoroughly. Next, slice them into uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, ensuring even cooking. If your cucumbers have large, watery seeds, it's best to scoop them out to prevent your stir-fry from becoming too watery. This simple preparation ensures a crisp and delicious result every time. Now let's get to the stir-frying. Heat your wok or large pan over high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Once hot, toss in your aromatics, such as minced garlic and ginger, and stir-fry for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful fragrance. Then, add your prepared cucumber slices and stir-fry rapidly for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. To elevate the flavor, prepare a quick sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and a small pinch of sugar in a bowl. During the final minute of stir-frying, pour this delicious sauce directly over your cucumbers. Toss everything together vigorously to ensure every piece is evenly coated, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and cling to the vegetables. Your delicious stir-fried cucumber is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped cilantro. Serve this vibrant dish immediately as a fantastic side to any meal, or pair it with steamed rice for a light and satisfying lunch. This easy method consistently delivers a refreshing and flavorful vegetable dish in under 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.